Hello, good morning, students. And I'm going to start a new lesson number 8, Mijbil the author from first flight. We will learn its through its summary whole the lesson, and you will have to read it in detail at your home. And before starting its summary, I'm going to introduce the story Mijbil the Otter by Gavin Maxwell. It was the beginning of the year 1956. The author said, the author and a friend of his were then in Iraq while going to Basra. Basra is in Iraq. While going to Basra one day, the author casually mentioned to his friend that he wanted to have an otter instead of a dog as pet. Otter means we can say in Hindi. I hope you would have heard this name in Hindi, Ood Bilao. Otter is called in Hindi Ood Bilao. He wanted to have an otter instead of a dog as a pet. A few days later, the friend sent for the author an otter from the marshes of river Tigris. This is a name of a river Tigris. This is the name of a river named Tigris. From its marshes, वहाँ के दलदल से this otter had been caught, and it was sent to his friend. Two Arabs brought the otter in a sack. एक बोरे में डाल के two Arabs वहाँ पर उसको लेकर के आए. So point wise is its summary. Author's decision to keep a pet otter. The author went to southern Iraq early in the new year of 1956. He decided that he would keep a pet otter instead of a dog. Mostly people keep a dog as their pet, but in this poem it's vice versa. The desire of the author is here to keep a pet otter instead of a dog. उसकी इच्छा डॉग की जगह ऑटर रखने की है. ऊद बिलाउ. His place of living, Camusfernia, had much water around it. Camusfernia एक जगह है, वहाँ पर ये पाए जाते हैं और वहाँ पर बहुत सारा पानी है. So it would be suitable for it. The author and his friend in Basra. The author's friend heard it. He suggested him to take one otter from the Tigris marshes. And the author suggested his friend to give or to bring one otter from the marshes of the Tigris river. There, the otters were in plenty. Underline this. Tigris is the name of a river where otters are found in plenty. बहुत ही तादाद में, in a healthy number. He and his friend were going to Basra to collect one. He means author and his friend were going to Basra to take one. His friend's mail had reached the consulate general. उसके दोस्त की डाक कॉन्सुलेट जनरल में पहुंच गई. But his mail had still not, लेकिन उसकी डाक नहीं पहुंची. An otter given to him by the Arabs. There were two Arabs who brought this otter for them. The author cabled the message to England. There was a delay of a few days due to fault in the line or holidays. There, there, there was a delay of 2 days. Why? Due to the fault in line or there were holidays. These may be the reasons of their delay in mail. At last the mail arrived. He went to his room to read it. There he saw two Arabs with the author. आखिरकार डाक पहुंच गई और वो उनको पढ़ने के लिए अपने रूम्स में चला गया और वहाँ उसने दो अरेब्स को एक ऊद बिलाव के साथ देखा. दे सेड इट वॉज फॉर हिम. Strangeness of the author. Very first, if we bring an animal, it is very strange to us and it does strange activities before us. Then afterwards, gradually it becomes familiar to us. In the same way, otter was doing. It was strange to him. With the author says his life underwent a change. This phase of his life still continues. When he found that author, the author says that his life was in change and he will continue this kind of change. The creature given to him looked like a small dragon. ये उसे दिया गया जानवर एक छोटे परदार सांप की तरह दिखाई देता है. It was looking like a small dragon, like a snake. The author had pointed scales of mud armor on his back. The author had pointed scales. उद्बिलव की कमर पर जो मिट्टी के रंग जैसी ढाल की तेज परतें थी. This was its armor. Armor means कवच. उसके बॉडी को सेफ रखने के लिए कवच था. Between tips there was a soft velvet fur. उंगलियों की टिप्स होती है ना. There were velvet soft fur. He was like that of a chocolate brown mole. एक चॉकलेट कलर की छछूंदर जैसा वो लग रहा था. There was a lot of dust and mud on him. There was a lot of dust and mud on him, on his body, because it lives in the dust. It lives in the marshes or in the river. That's why it is natural that dust and mud would be on his body. And he took months to shed his mud over his body. कई महीने लग जाते हैं उसकी बॉडी से मिट्टी उतारने के लिए. This is the description of his body. कि वो कैसा लगता है, क्या उसकी बॉडी की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. Otter identified and domesticated. अब हम किसी भी एनिमल को लाते हैं तो उसको पहचान देते हैं, उसका नाम रखते हैं या उसको जैसे भी हम पुकारते हैं और उसको पालतू बनाते हैं हमारे घर में. एक डोमेस्टिकेट करते हैं उसको. Here the author called the otter Mijbil. The author called the otter Mijbil. Mijbil कह करके उसको पुकारता था यहाँ पर author. His race was unknown to science. His race, उसकी जाति कोई भी साइंस को मालूम नहीं थी. Zoologists gave him the name Lutrogale Perspicillata Maxwelli or Maxwell's otter. उसकी जीव वैज्ञानिकों ने लुट्रोगेल, पर्सिपिसीलेटा और मैक्सविली उसको उदबिलाव का नाम दे दिया। At first मिचबिल वॉज अलूफ, यानी कि वो पहले तो बिल्कुल अकेला था। अलूफ मीन्स सॉलिट्यूड। द नेक्स्ट नाइट ही केम टू द ऑथर्स बेड। ही स्लेप्ट इन हिज नीज, वो उसके घुटनों के बीच में सोया। एंड in the day he took a keen interest in his surroundings. The author made him a body belt. देखिए, दिन में उसने अपने चारों तरफ काफ़ी आनंद लेना आरंभ कर दिया और लेखक ने उसके शरीर की बेल्ट बनाई। He took him to the bathroom, वो उसको बाथरूम पर ले गया। बाथ टब के पानी के नीचे उदबिलाव खुशी से पागल हो गया। The otter was wild with joy in the underwater of the bathtub, because water is the main place for otter to live. That's why it became very happy to live there. Otter in the bathroom or bathtub. 2 days later, Mitchell escaped from the author's bedroom. After 2 days, what happened? Mitchell escaped, and ran away from the author's bedroom. He went to the bathroom and he entered the bathtub. He turned the tap. उसने नल अपने आप चलाया। वो ऑथर के रूम में नहीं था, लेकिन वो वहाँ चला गया बाथरूम में, और वहाँ बाथ टब में चला गया और वहाँ अपने आप ही उसने नल चालू किया। देयर फ्लोड फुल टैप वाटर, और उसने पूरे नल को खोल दिया। फुल वाटर प्रेशर के साथ नल में से आने लगा पानी। लेटर ही शोड एंगर व्हेन द टैप डिड नॉट स्टॉप, और फिर नल खुलने को तो खुल गया लेकिन बंद नहीं हुआ। So he showed anger. He became very angry on this, and that tap did not stop. And this is sufficient for today. And in the next video, I will complete this chapter by summary, and you can continue reading. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Okay.